Hello students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina. Today we will learn a poem titled Chiri. It is written by Michael Rosen. First of all, we must know what do we mean by Chiri. Chiri means to nag. You must have heard your elders instructing you many times. Sit straight, do this, don't do this, don't talk with your mouth full, why are you roaming here and there? So these are the set of instructions which parents or elders used to give us. So Michael Rosen, the poet of this poem, he was also instructed by his mother with many do's and don'ts. There is a famous incident related to Michael Rosen that once he was taken to school for the first time and the principal of the school asked him what is his name. So he replied, Michael Don't, because he was very often instructed by his elders to do this, to do that, so he said his name as Michael Don't. So in this poem, Michael Rosen has told about our elders that how they used to keep on instructing us all the time. Let's start the poem. Grown-ups say things like, now grown-ups, who are grown-ups? Grown-ups means those who are adults, our parents, elders, grandparents, maybe our school teachers, or elder brother or sister, or maybe our maternal uncle, aunt. So all those who are adults, they say things like speak up. Speak up. Speak up means speak loudly. जोर से बोलो. Don't talk with your mouth full. आपके मुंह में जब खाना हो तब बात नहीं करते. आपने सुना होगा खाते समय बात नहीं करते. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't stare. Stare means, we have read in our previous poem, it means घूरना, to look at something constantly. When maybe when we go to the restaurant or when we go some wedding, we used to like some decoration, or maybe we have seen one of our friend or someone, our teacher over there, and we used to look at them constantly. So they say don't stare, don't point. Don't point means we should not point at someone. If you meet your friend in any of the party, or if you have seen your teacher in any of the party, आप जल्दी से जाते मम्मी को बताते, मम्मी देखो देखो वो मेरी टीचर, तो मम्मी कहते बेटा हाथ नीचे करो, उंगली मत करो. So don't point, किसी की तरफ इशारा मत करो. Don't pick your nose, अपनी nose में finger मत डालो. So these are some don'ts which elders used to tell us. Next, sit up. ऊपर बैठो. Usually आपको पता है आप बच्चे जो है नीचे बैठे थे, तो मम्मी कहता है नीचे मत बैठो, आप ड्रेस गंदी करोगे, ऊपर बैठो. से प्लीज मीन्स किसी भी काम के लिए आप मम्मी से कुछ भी कहते हो, मम्मी प्लीज मुझे पानी देना, तो मम्मी पानी देना, मम्मी कहती है बेटा पहले बोलो से प्लीज, प्लीज बोलो फिर मिलेगा. मम्मी भूख लग रही है, बोलो प्लीज पहले फिर खाना मिलेगा. सो दे यूज्ड टू इंस्ट्रक्ट अस, से प्लीज. लेस नॉइज, कम आवाज करो, धीरे बात करो, जोर से नहीं चिल्लाना है. Shut the door behind you. जब आप अंदर आ रहे हो तो दरवाजा बंद करते आओ. Don't drag your feet. It is very famous. आपको पता है स्कूल में नीतू मैम भी आपसे कहते रहते हैं you used to drag your feet while walking, और मैम कहता है don't drag your feet. पैर उठा के चलो. Haven't you got a hanky? क्या तुम्हारे पास हैंकी नहीं है? सपोज अचानक से आपको छींक आ गई या खांसी आ गई, तो मम्मा कहते हैं या टीचर्स आपसे कहता है आपके पास रुमाल नहीं है, हैंकी नहीं है आपके पास. Take your hands out of your pockets. अपने जेब में हाथ मत डालो, जेब से बाहर हाथ निकालो. Okay, so these are another set of instructions which elders used to give us. Pull your socks up. अपने socks ऊपर करो. Means socks आपको पता है खेलते खेलते ढीले हो जाते हैं, वो नीचे गिर जाते हैं. हम ध्यान नहीं देते, आप ऐसे चले जाते हो तो मम्मी बोलते हैं बेटा pull your socks up, ऊपर खींचो socks को. Stand up straight. सीधे खड़े हो. से थैंक यू. आप यदि आपको किसी ने कुछ चीज दिया है तो आपको क्या बोलना है? थैंक यू बोलना है. डोंट इंटरप्ट. अगर कोई बीच में बात कर रहा है, सपोज मम्मी जो है दादी माँ से बात कर रही हैं, मम्मी पापा आपस में बात कर रहे हैं किसी बात पे, तो आप जाके बीच में बोलते हो, मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं बेटा वेट, डोंट इंटरप्ट, बीच में नहीं बोलते हैं। नो वन थिंक्स यू आर फनी, कई बार जो है आप बहुत ही मजाकिया हरकत कर रहे होते हो, आप मम्मी पापा के साथ मस्ती करना चाहते हो, तो मम्मी पापा बिजी होते हैं या कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क कर रहे होते हो, तो कहते हैं बेटा डोंट थिंक यू आर फनी, ये कोई मजाक की बात नहीं है, ये मत सोचो आप मजाक के मूड में, मैं मजाक के मूड में बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ। टेक योर एल्बोज ऑफ द टेबल, जब आप किसी होटल में जाते हो, रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो, आप कैसे बैठते हो, ऐसे दोनों टेबल्स ऊपर रख, दोनों टेबल्स पे एल्बोज रख के ऐसे बैठते हो। हमें कहते हैं नो डोंट पुट योर एल्बोज ऑन द टेबल, पीछे हटो, दूर रहो, इट इज डर्टी। सो these are some set of instructions which parents used to give us in our childhood. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? Now, this is very important line. Can't you make up your own mind up about anything? क्या तुम अपने खुद के डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते? In our childhood, parents used to say many things that are do's and don'ts. This you have to do, this you not have to do, this is right, that is wrong. And when you are grown up, means when Michael Rosen, he is telling about himself that when I am grown up, अब जब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ and I have to make my own decision, I couldn't make it, क्योंकि उसने कभी डिसीजन लिया ही नहीं, पेरेंट्स ने उसको हमेशा मना किया है, सो वो अपने डिसीजन नहीं ले पाता। कई बार आप भी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो कि हम क्या डिसाइड करें, हम क्या लें, तब भी हमें पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं, आप अपने खुद के डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते। सो दिस पोएम चिली इज अ नैग with the do's and don'ts from elders. Okay, so let's quickly revise the poem. In this poem, the poet talks about the don'ts or the do's which parents or elders used to instruct us. In the first paragraph, he says parents used to say to speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, means don't look at something constantly, don't point out at something or at anything, don't pick your nose. Then they say sit up, say please, if you want something you should say please, less noise, don't make noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet, don't drag means don't rub your feet, haven't you got a hanky, take your hands out of your pockets, pull up your socks, means sometimes when you play, होता है कई बार आपकी सॉक्स ढीली हो जाती है, लूज हो जाती है, वो नीचे गिर जाते हैं, तो आपको एल्डर्स आपको कहते हैं पुल अप योर सॉक्स, स्टैंड अप स्ट्रेट, सीधे खड़े होइए, say thank you if someone has given you something, parents used to instruct us to say thank you, don't interrupt if someone is talking, if then we should not interrupt them, we should not say something between them, but if it is really urgent we should say excuse me, and then we should keep our words over there. No one thinks you are funny, take your elbows off the table. In the end, the poet says because of all these do's and don'ts, he was unable to make his own judgment, to take his own decision about any particular thing. At that time also, what his mother said, can't you make your own mind up about anything? Can't you take your own decision? So students, I hope you have understood this poem. If you have any query related to it, you are free to call me anytime. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.